Brand new to our inventory here at Myers Automall, we have this 2020 Jeep Renegade Sport SUV that's still under a full factory warranty. On the outside of the Renegade, we have power and heated door mirrors, park view rear backup camera, and a rear windshield wiper. Inside, you'll find easy to clean cloth seating for 5, push to start technology, and power windows and power door locks. The 5-inch touchscreen display has integrated voice command with Bluetooth, and steering wheel mounted audio controls keeps everything right at your fingertips. This 2020 Jeep Renegade Sport SUV has less than 9,000 miles and still under factory warranty and comes with a Carfax buyback guarantee. Give Myers Automall a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.chrismyers.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.